Hamburg and North Germany is an aerospace region, and we are very proud to be here. And it's for the Hanse-Aerospace members, it's a home run, of course, and we have a lot of new things to see in manufacturing, in engineering, in qualification, new products, and so on. So it's a good thing to be here, and many airlines are there, and they are very keen to see how to refurbish cabins, for example, how to get spare parts, how to work together worldwide with logistic, and so on and so on. So we all have the abilities at the booth, at the stand, and it works. We had a good answers today, and a crowd stand, so couldn't be better.
We do have a new flight kit which was developed over the last 15 years of volunteer pilots who work together with Remova company to develop this flight kit, which has just about started production last week. And it has several features which slightly are hidden, but they actually make it worthwhile and valuable for a pilot to take as a flight kit into his cockpit. This flight kit is absolutely lightweight. It's less than 3 kilos. You can open this one and it doesn't fall down. You have a bag here, you have a bag inside there for your iPad or whatever, and it has 4 wheels, so you can have it near your body, and it has a brake for these 4 wheels. It has a steering part which you can open up here and steer it for the cabin, for everywhere you need it in the aircraft.
Hanse Aerospace is expanding its competence portfolio based on the engineering services in the field of products. So as you can see here, we're providing the entire set of emergency equipment for the A350 fleet, as well as we are working in the field of maintenance with this maintenance device based on a tablet PC, which is in use at Boston Air in Hamburg Airport.
We are specialists and development partner for aircraft manufacturers focused on weight reduction programs and substitution of plastic brackets. We are working together with the leading aircraft manufacturers in the world.
This year it's the first time that Oldenburger Aircraft Interior presents special surfaces. Here we have some examples from liquid metal with a special structure. We have some different structures, different colors, different structures, every kind what you want we can realize.
I would like to present you the AET, the Aviation Engineering Tool for Safety Critical Avionics. The purpose of the tool is to guide the user through the development and design process of aircraft systems. We guarantee transparency in time, cost, project controlling under the guideline of international or company-specific standards.
In addition to our normal business, we are now concentrating on engineering work. We offered an office in Hamburg with engineering capacities. Especially, we are doing our job in the interior and design business, and we are offering our services for airlines. We offer our services for the yacht and for the railways industry.
RUAG offers a full one-stop shop capability, ranging from full maintenance over cockpit and cabin modifications and upgrades to certification and aircraft paint. Recently, RUAG has really specialized on interior design.
RUAG's cabin interior program offers state-of-the-art interior design, manufacturing and installation for VIP and executive jets from scratch.